you know these giant palm fronds that fall from the palm trees that are really heavy? Well, today we're gonna make something out of something like this. Let's go. So I've trimmed away the giant leaf, or constant palmate leaf, and we're left with the petiole, or the shaft, and the leaf sheath. Now it's kind of like hairy and a bit unsymmetrical, so what we're gonna do to make it designer worthy is we're gonna cut away all these little hairs and we're gonna make it look something like, what I've done, one of these beautiful mahogany looking leaf sheaths, and we're gonna design with that today. So it's gonna look fabulous, but we've gotta trim everything up and get all the little hairs away, and let's get started and you'll see what happens. So because it's Father's Day weekend, in honor of Father's Day, we're bringing out the drill. Woo. All right, getting the wind blown look. Oh yeah. All right, so anyway, what I did was I got a 1/2 inch drill bit. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's 1/2 inch. So what we're gonna do is we wanna make, and see it has a pointed tip. And so what we wanna do is we wanna make a hole in the palm frond so that the 1/2 inch stem of the anthurium will go into the palm frond. Now I know some of you are saying, well, why don't I just put the palm frond like that? And that's beautiful, but you know, I'm always thinking outside the box or outside the vase. So I want the hole on the side, and that's what designers do. They come up with crazy ideas. So put your safety gear on, and we're gonna drill 3 holes. Ready? One, 2. Be very careful with your hands, of course. Now that we have 3 1-inch holes in our leaf sheath, we're gonna take our anthurium with the 1/2 inch stem and insert it into the first hole. We want all the anthuriums to face the same direction. The end will be cut and placed in the vase, and so it has a water source. But all 3 anthuriums should be facing the exact same direction. But with these symmetrical holes I drilled, it gives a designer touch, added interest, and a look that guests will love.